And here we are, we're in the interior of the FH16 750. Look at the visibility, look at the light in the cab, from the new sky roof, from the lower windows, for the increased windscreen area. This is what the drivers have been screaming for. The most important thing for the driver is a good, comfortable driving position. We've increased the seat distance fore aft by 40mm, and we have a brand new steering wheel adjustment mechanism. Very simply, you pull the wheel down to the area you wish, then we have a new neck tilt system. The greatest adjustment in the industry, so the drivers have a perfect driving position every single time. Relieves tension on the shoulders, it relieves tension on the driver, and it keeps them relaxed and refreshed all through the day. The dash display, clear, logical, simplistic, all the information you need, but no more than that. And as the driver's eyes sweep over this new design, the dashboard top from A-pillar to A-pillar is completely clear, giving you a total restful and calm, relaxed atmosphere in which to do their job. This is the new FH series. Enjoy.